Let's go.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your girl, Keisha G, and I'm back again on this video, man. Today, as y'all can see, the little scenery is real different. We at the park, and
again,
we went and got some food, man. We went and got some burgers and chicken fingers.
Yeah.
Chicken fingers look pretty good.
I got a fry.
You know what I'm saying? She got fries with hers because she got a meal. And then we got I got a burger, but I broke it in half because she wanted chicken tenders, but then she wanted the burger.
And then I got bread.
And we don't eat a lot of food, so. So,
Cool. I got barbecue.
Can you open it for you?
Yeah.
How was your week at daycare?
Good. My number has 2.
Let me see. School is out, y'all, so we gotta start finding stuff to do with her.
I don't know why on the bottom has say 2.
And oh, I got a tea. I got tea.
I got lemonade.
She got lemonade. If I knew that lemonade was that good from Besto, I would have got lemonade because I've been hooked on lemonade recently. But I got a little honey mustard with my. They go with my what's called. Bro, let me tell y'all. We pulled
Honey
up.
mustard.
We pulled up to the place to get the food, and my total. Eat that before I drop in your pants. My total was $20 and something, right? I sent over anytime I use certain cards for different things. So the card I was using for the food, I always send a certain amount over. That way I ain't got, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know why I do that, but I sent over $22. The food was $20 and something. Okay, so get up there. He swiped my card. $22 and something came in my card.
It's little.
So I said, okay. I really didn't check it until he told me, oh, you still owe $1.74. How? Well, my food is only $20.19, he said. Reminding y'all again, I had $22 in my card. Okay. He came back to the window again after I gave him $1.74 again, let him keep swiping my card. And he was like, by that time, I'm still sending money over. I keep sending money over. So I sent over like 10 extra dollars. And he was like, oh, you still owe 19 cents or 17 cents. Bro, is y'all scamming me? So I said, I'm gonna tell you what, bro, I'm finna give you a quarter. I said, I'm not finna keep letting you swipe my card, bro. That's crazy. I'm like, huh?
Why
Somebody probably put a hole in the card. They ain't never putting a hole on nobody's card
like
in the food now.
See, look, it looks like toasted.
Now, if I know of, they ain't never did mine like that. You don't like the outside?
No.
That's the healthy part.
I don't like the outside.
Oh. It's pretty out here, y'all. We out here chilling. We out here. It feels good as hell. If y'all can hear that little truck that went down the street, I'm trying to turn it down a little bit. Cause I know I ain't using my camera, I'm using my phone. And it's picking up. The phone picking up a lot of noise. What you gotta say? Oh. No problem. Is your chicken tenders good?
Yeah.
Hey, is. My bad, y'all. Get in the camera. No, don't be camera shot today. I'm gonna call more of them and then bring y'all back to the park to and bring some popsicles and stuff. We got a lot of popsicles in the freezer. And I missed them. Mario. Y'all, it's hot outside. I don't even want to go to the beach. I want to go. Why do I keep thinking about going?
Going to the park.
Huh?
Going to the park.
Snowboarding. You go to the top of this hill, like a big hill, and it got nothing but snow. And I want to do that so bad. I don't know why.
Put your cheeseburger. Dip it in there will be good.
What?
Good.
Bit what in there? Oh, your burger? Yeah. I put honey mustard on my burger, but not today.
Look at the beautiful
Not
tree.
today. Hold up. Not today. Hold up. Yeah. Not today. Hold up. Hold up. Not today. What you doing? Yeah, he just woke up. She came to my house this morning at 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock. It might be before 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock this morning. And my sister had to go to work. I called around there and I said, Mama, where your money at? Well, she answered the phone. I was like, where you at? Put your money in your pocket. I was like, where you at? You trying to flash, girl? You trying to flash your money? Huh? Boy, you act just like me when I first got a job.
I was talking to you because I want to go in your room.
If it's a weekend that my mom and sister got to work, she'll come get in the bed with me. Or if she's just not sleepy, they'll let her sit in the living room and I'll leave my door. But I'm calling her right now. She answered me on my phone. I said, where you at? I said, where y'all at? Talking about, oh, I'm in Boot Boot room. She called Mama Boot Boot. I said, girl, come around here trying to be funny. You didn't want to come there with me?
I do. I did. I did want to.
Why ain't come?
Because I was laying with Boo Boo.
Girl, every time I get on the camera, you want them COT. Eat. Snag. Snag it too. Snag it too. I'm gonna go fishing. Oh. Drink in your drink. You scared to go fishing?
No.
You scared to hold a fish?
Yeah.
Listen. We went fishing and this man caught a fish about the size of this right here, right? I was holding the fish. I said, oh, bro, let me hold it. I had gloves on. I was holding the fish. Bro, I'm about to freak out. I don't know why. I don't like holding stuff like that. And then he was squiggling around and it was just slimy. Ew, that's nasty. But that's why I go fishing and bring somebody that's gonna bait my hook. If it's a worm or something, bait my hook and get my fish off my hook. Cause I ain't with it.
I'm stretching. Oh, my sleep. I'm stretching out my sleep.
You ain't been asleep.
Well, I did.
Can't been up since 6 o'clock this morning. Well, really, 5:30.
I said 7.
Oh, it wasn't no 7. It was before that.
Before?
Then I got lights from my bed, so I was like, okay, I turn the lights on for you if you go to bed, if you go to sleep. Still didn't go to sleep.
This cheeseburger is busting.
Busting? Where you learning that?
I'm little short.
Eat. What you doing? Girl?
What?
You need to choke.
No.
You don't talk with food in your mouth. If you talk with food in your mouth, go like this. Like this. And then try it. Practice. Slide over. How much in a penny? How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. How much is this quarter worth? 25 cents. Yo.
No, it's 5 cents.
We've been listening to Grace's Corner all morning long. Literally. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent.
Mine is not blowing, but yours is.
You know what? Count all the money, money. Count all the money, money. Count all the money, money. Count it up. Grace's Corner need to sign me and my niece.
I love Grace's Corner and Gabby.
I don't think nobody's listening to Grace's Corner more than this girl right here.
I like
And
Grace's
Gabby's
Corner
Dollhouse.
and Gabby. And
I be in the car playing Encanto soundtrack, Gabby Dollhouse soundtrack, every soundtrack. Be blasting, going down the road.
like in Kato, we don't talk about Bruno.
Surface pressure. The magical. We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
But it was my wedding day.
It was. You should do drama, like when you get in school, how they make plays and stuff, and you act it out. I'm the strong one.
I'm nervous.
I don't ask how the work is. I ain't gonna lie, y'all feel them songs. It's hard though, I ain't gonna lie. Under the surface. Pressure like a drip, drip, drip that'll never stop. Hold up. Oh. Pressure that'll drip, drip, drip until you just go pop. Oh. You crazy.
I don't want to see something.
Yeah. Ain't nothing but a little piece. Y'all, she really crying about this little piece of burger that I got. I should got you a cheeseburger. I ain't. Well, you told me you wanted chicken tenders. Look at little baby. It was our wedding day. We just came on here to be able to see us eat and make a little video. You feel me?
Oh, look, no more of my food.
I know you're lying. Hold up. I know you're lying. Hold up. I know you're lying. Hold up. I know you're. Hey, yo, tank. Hold up. Yeah. Go tank. I know you're lying. Hold up. Hey, go tank. Hey, go tank. Hold up. Go tank. I ain't gonna lie, Kay. I'm full too. You gonna take this home?
Look, watch this.
Say your chicken tenders?
Look. Put your arm like this way.
Come on. What you want to say? All right, y'all. We just did a little mukbang. You know what I'm saying? I'm being consistent. Whatever I come to my mind, I'm dropping. I don't care. But listen. We want to come here and get y'all a little video, a little show. Y'all know every time we get on this camera, we cut up. But, anything you want to say to him?
Subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that bell.
There you go. You know what? I hope, you know what? You're going to be very wealthy. You know that? You're very
if you
smart.
like our video, subscribe.
That's right. Y'all heard what she said. And make sure y'all do that. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And I'm excited, man. Very excited. I can just like every day I imagine like what it's gonna be when I get monetized, like when I get 1 million subscribers, yada yada yada. Because the videos are only gonna get better and better. You know, when you first start doing YouTube, it's you coming up with content. Coming up with content is pretty hard unless you already got a niche. But I come to the conclusion, man, if people gonna like your stuff, they're gonna like it. They're gonna watch it. They're gonna subscribe to your channel. They're gonna comment down below and talk to you and stuff like that. You know, but at the end of the day, I feel like now everything is coming smooth. Like, I don't just be like, dang, I gotta go ahead and shoot a video. Or dang, like I gotta make time to do this. No. It's like I'm gonna make time. Like I'm gonna shoot a video. Anytime I get ready to eat, that's what I do. Shoot a video. Anytime I get ready to like try something unlimited, I make a video. You know, go like anything I do like for like fishing and stuff like that, shoot a video because I gotta make time to do it. You know what I'm saying? And if that's what you want to do, you gotta make time for it. So I've been having these changes about, you know, my YouTube channel and doing my videos, so it made me feel pretty good. But like my girl right here said, like this video, comment down below if you have anything you want to tell me or want to see. Also, any questions. Also, click that bell so you know when I drop. And we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're on the road to 1,000 subs. I get to 1,000 subs, I'm doing a giveaway. Period. I'm gonna do a giveaway because I have been like doing pretty good. So I'm gonna give back to y'all. Some gas cards, all kind of stuff. I got 1 million shoes. Some shoes I ain't even wore. We'll do that.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video.
I hope they do too. I really do. You know what? You know, it'll be awesome if my first video blew up and it was me and you. That would make my day because I'm doing it with one of my favorite little people in the world, you know?
But this is the whole world ever.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the video. It would be nice if one of our videos that we did to get like a mukbang or something just blew up out of the blue. 5 million views because they really like our personalities, you know? You know what I'm talking about? All right, y'all, we getting out of here, man.